Get ready for the 2025 Renault Clio, a compact city car that's about to redefine what small cars can do. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or cutting-edge technology, this new Clio has it all. The 2025 Renault Clio is getting a complete makeover, and it's looking better than ever. From the front, you'll notice the bold C-shaped LED headlights that give the car a more aggressive, modern look. The grille has been redesigned to enhance aerodynamics and add a sense of sophistication. The sleek lines along the body and sporty contours give the Clio a more dynamic stance, making it stand out on the road. At the rear, the LED taillights and updated bumper complete the stylish transformation, giving the Clio a more premium feel while staying true to its compact roots. The refined interior of the Clio is packed with tech and comfort. The dashboard features a 10-inch digital display, and the center console houses a 9.3-inch touchscreen for controlling all your infotainment and navigation needs. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, so staying connected on the go is easier than ever. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, ensuring that both the driver and passengers enjoy a premium experience. The 2025 Renault Clio offers a variety of engine options to suit different driving styles. The base engine is a 1.0-liter TCE petrol engine that comes in two variants, 90 horsepower and 120 horsepower, giving you plenty of choices whether you need efficiency for city driving or more power for the highway. But the real highlight is the hybrid version. It combines a 1.6-liter petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver 145 horsepower, providing an eco-friendly yet powerful driving experience. The hybrid system is designed to give you better fuel efficiency in urban environments while offering an impressive electric-only range for short trips. For those looking for even more eco-friendliness, the hybrid system truly shines. You'll get better fuel economy, especially in city driving. The plug-in hybrid version is expected to offer an electric-only range of around 30 to 40 miles, perfect for shorter commutes without using a drop of fuel. The 2025 Renault Clio is expected to hit the market by early 2025, with prices starting between $20,000 and $24,000 for the base petrol models. If you're eyeing the hybrid version, it'll likely start around $29,000. With these competitive prices, the Clio is set to remain one of the most attractive options in the small car market. So, there you have it, the 2025 Renault Clio, a compact car that delivers on all fronts: style, tech, performance, and eco-friendliness. If you're looking for a small car that feels anything but basic, the Clio is definitely worth considering. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.